Hello everyone. In this video we are going to look at how to fix account exists on this device in the World app. Sometimes cached data or leftover files on your device can also cause this problem. To fix it, start by clearing the app cache and data. On most devices you can do this by going to your phone settings, then app management, then app settings, finding the World app and then choosing storage. From there tap clear cache and clear data. This will remove saved information that might be causing the conflict. After doing this, open the app again and try to log in with your correct account details. If clearing data does not work, the next step is to uninstall the app completely and then reinstall it from the official App Store. Make sure you download the latest version because older versions may contain bugs that cause this error. After reinstalling, log in with the same credentials you used when you first created your account. If none of these steps solve the problem, it may be a server-side issue. In that case, the best option is to contact World App Support directly through their help section or official website. They can check your account and remove duplicate links. By following these steps, you can usually fix the account exists on this device error and continue using the World app without problems. Thanks for watching.